Good day, my name is Jesse Goddard, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video, my first video, just sort of as an overview of what I've been doing in Fusion 360 with right? So I've made a shape and I've made some different stock blocks here. I'm just going through, I'm going to make an intersection, and then I need to first do a setup. We're going to set the stock. We can mess around with the axis of origin later if you like, and then the rest of it is just sort of tuning up the stock a little bit. We don't want anything extra on the sides because our wooden blocks are already made. And then we'll get into a 3D where we are going to lay out the contours for the shape we're cutting and pick a tool. So here I'm going through a bunch of tool presets that I've logged in. I put all the data in for all the different tools I've got, and I'm looking for the big ball mill I've got. So that's the big flat. Here's the big ball mill. So we'll just get our heights figured out here. All these things can be tweaked more, and I probably will go into them again. I'm basically just checking to see that this adapt path is going to work for me. So the CNC machine doesn't have any eyes or ears, so it's relying on the simulation that's created in the computer in order to not only simulate itself, but to also simulate what's going to happen, the different tool paths that are going to happen. And it's very sophisticated software, so it can give you red flags, and hopefully I don't get any red flags on this one, but it can give you red flags as to what's going to happen if something's going to go wrong. So this is all autopilot now. I'm going to change the speed up and get it going a bit faster. Let's turn on some stock. Okay, so we've turned on the stock view so you can see what we're actually going to cut. And all these tool paths are kind of getting in the way. We could have a closer look at that if we were having mistakes in this path. And now we can just sort of see that this is the simulation of what this tool is going to do, or what it's supposed to do on the machine. And from this we can generate G-code, which is what the Mac 3 software uses to control the machine that I've made. So the G-code is a representation of the is a mixture. The presets in Mach 3 should give the machine sort of an identity as to what its limits are and what it can do, and the G-code that I'm generating here is the instructions to that machine and those parameters. So here we can see this is what things are actually going to look like. It's not as smooth an object, but I kind of like it because it's showing the process, and it also gives sort of an element of chance to the work. Thanks for watching.